everybody, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. This is a fun project for the holiday season. We're going to design an abstract Christmas tree with a modern and slightly rustic twist. The first thing that I've done is spray painted these cardboard rolls. I've given it 2 coats of spray paint. From another project, I had a piece of wooden slab and I've used that, but it was quite irregular, so I've just covered it up with this burlap, and once that was with hot glue, I glued it up, and once that was done, I used these circles and I placed the baubles inside them with some hot glue, and then I positioned 4 of them with some hot glue. I positioned all 4 of them to sit snugly on top of the burlap covered wooden slab. And there you have it. I really love how it is turned out. If you like this tutorial, please like and share this video. And if you're visiting me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.